Hello and welcome. In the past couple of weeks, I've been watching this plant grow, and I'd like to share a few things I learned while observing the plant in its growth. A very important thing I learned is that I cannot make the plant grow. The plant actually grows itself. But what I can do is that I can provide the conditions for growth. And one thing that's important, I've come to realize, is to use good soil. Good soil is like a foundation. It's like a foundation for growth. And if the plant grows in good soil, it has really a good possibility to grow. And another thing which I've come to realize is quite important is that I prepare the ground well for planting. And that means, for example, I remove obstacles. It could be weeds, it could be stones. So something that will block growth. A third thing that I've learned is important is that I continuously or now and then enrich the soil, enrich the fertility of the soil. So for example, by providing or by adding water, by adding fertilizer, that will boost growth. And what I've observed is that even though you do all these things, it doesn't mean that a plant will automatically grow. Some plants will thrive more than others. And what I've understood is that I will try to learn from those that thrive. I will try to learn from those plants that, feel like they're in the right environment and they grow well. And I will find out why do they grow well? Why do they thrive? And if I have the possibility, I will try to find out what are the secrets of their success. What makes them a positive deviance? And then a possibility is that the healthiest of those thinned out plants, then I transplant those to new roomier locations where they will grow more, where they will help others grow.